Here we will see operator overloading in Python. Operator overloading means giving extended meaning beyond their predefined operational meaning, which is also known as operator ad hoc polymorphism. One of the simplest examples of operator overloading is addition operator. The operator plus can be used to add two integers, join two strings, or merge two lists. It is possible since plus operator is overloaded by the integer and string classes. Operator overloading allows operators to have user-defined meaning on the user-defined type. It is used to customize the definition of Python operator for a user-defined class. Operator overloading empowers developers to redefine the behavior of the operators for their custom objects. It allows users to assign specific meaning to these operators based on the context of our objects, which makes the code more natural and intuitive. By overloading operators, we can integrate our custom objects into Python's ecosystem, which provide a consistent and unified experience for users of our code. For example, if you want the ability to add two objects together using plus operator or compare their values using less than operator, just as we do built-in types like numbers or strings, Python operator overloading allows us to design APIs that feel familiar and intuitive, and drastically reducing the learning curve for users of the code. Different advantages of operator overloadings are improved readability. As you overload Boolean operators, you can create natural syntax and semantics for your class and make your code and intent of operations easier. Abstractions. You can abstract complex logic in your class and offer cleaner interface to users. Concise code. Overloading Boolean operators make your code concise and expressive, so you can use operators to perform custom operations on your objects. Consistency. Operator overloading in Python ensures that your class behaves consistently like built-in types. It brings consistency to the code base specifically for the custom classes and ensures logical operations perform the same way with the remaining applications, which promotes code uniformity and makes it easier to use and integrate. Expressive code. You can write code similar to mathematical and real-world operations to make your code more intuitive and make it easier for you to understand and maintain it. Integration with built-in functions. With operator overloading, you can smoothly integrate built-in functions in Python, such as overloading the operator to use equal to and sum with custom objects. Custom behavior. When you overload Boolean operators in Python, it lets you to define custom logic specific to your class, which is not available in built-in or other classes. You can create objects that are similar to built-in types and write more intuitive and expressive code, which is useful when you work with user-defined data structures. Then improved functionality. Overloading Boolean operators enables you to add new functionality to a class. For example, performing OR operations or logical operations on the class instance, and enhance code reusability. Operator overloading improved code reusability, which means you can use the same symbols or operators with different classes to perform the same operations, which saves your effort and time in writing the same code repeatedly. And disadvantages of Python operator overloadings are increased complexity. Operator overloading can introduce additional complexity to your code. Defining custom behavior for operators require careful consideration and implementation. It may make your code harder to understand, especially for developers who are not familiar with the specific operator overloading implementation. Then potential confusion and ambiguity. Operator overloading can lead to confusion and ambiguity if the behavior of operator is drastically different from their usual semantics. If our implementation deviates significantly from the standard behavior of operators, it may surprise other developers working with our code. Then lack of clarity in code reading. When operators are overloaded, their meaning may not be immediately clear when reading the code. It may require additional documentation or comments to explain the custom behavior and semantics associated with the overloaded operators. Then compatibility concerns. Operator overloading may affect the compatibility of our code with third-party libraries or frameworks. If those libraries depend on the standard behavior of the operators or have their own custom implementation, there may be conflict or unexpected behavior when using the overloaded operators in conjunction with those libraries. Then debugging challenges. Overloaded operators can introduce challenges during debugging. The behavior of operators may not align with developers' expectations, which leads to difficulties in identifying and resolving issues related to operator overloading. Then learning curve for user. If our code base heavily depend on operator overloading, it may increase the learning curve for new developers which are joining to the project. They would need to understand the custom behavior and semantics associated with the overloaded operators, which may require additional time and effort. And maintenance and refactoring. When operator overloading is extensively used in codebase, it can complicate maintenance and refactoring efforts. Modifying the behavior of operators or refactoring code, which depends on the operator overloading, may require careful consideration and testing to avoid the unintended consequences.